Just got off the ship on Labadee, Haiti. It's really nice. Smoking hot out here. Hot, hot, hot. Right by the edge. Want to just dive in. There's people coming back on. Here's the ship. Whoa, look how big this thing is. God damn. Very nice. I just gotta try to find my family wherever they at on this island. Look at the beach, man. That's exactly where I'm headed. Off the ship for 2 seconds. Boy, I am sweating already. My head looked nice and smooth though. Did the fresh shave with some soap that they left in the on the ship for us. Man, that soap is so smooth. I gotta bring some home and do it. Well, this is my review actually, but if I can replicate the soap or find out where to actually buy it, so let you guys get some of the soap that they got on the cruise for us, man, my head, you can tell just by looking at it. Not on top of how it feels, just by looking at it, bro. I can't even speak right, bro. My head is so soft right now. But it's so hot out here. No games at all, boy. It's so hot. About to take my shirt off, give me a nice little tan. Give me something to drink. What's good, y'all? I was not prepared for this heat. It's so hot. It is so hot out here, but it's so cool out here too. I'm in Haiti right now. It's burning up. Out here, I'm about to be 28, man. Overseas, turning 28 for my birthday. Look at this, man. Look where I'm at. Check it out. Check me out. Look at that. On the beach. Looking for my family right now. But man, whew. Got my trunks on, might even jump in, who knows. I need to give me a little drink. As soon as I found what I'm looking for, I've been drinking just about every night on the at the little clubs and stuff like that. This is real fun. Some people, I think they're about to go paragliding or some parasailing, whatever you want to call it. Very cool, very cool. I need to tie this shirt on my head too in a minute. I don't get no sunburn. Black people do get sunburn if you did not know that. Because I've gotten burned about 2 or 3 times in my life so far. People is ziplining. Really enjoy myself, man. It's nice and hot. You gotta have something to drink on while you're out here. Just chilling on the beach right now. As you can see, it's so hot, man. I was not prepared for this, man. I had to take my shirt off, wrap it on my head, because the lotion I put on is not gonna it's not gonna replicate. There's no sunscreen. If you guys have never been on a cruise, you should definitely jump on one. Have some fun with your family and friends, whatever it may be, your loved one. I don't know if you guys can see, but they got the zip line behind me. Zip line going from over there, stopping all the way over here at the end. This is cool. Hella cool.
So. Yeah. Have a great time back on board. Safe travels.
Heading back to the ship. Look how big it is, y'all. Symphony of the Seas. Humongous. It's cool. Still walking. along the beach or along the boardwalk to get back to the ship. I finally found my sister for the first time in forever.
I went that way.
I've been on it. I was over here. You barely got off?
Yeah.
You barely got off right now? I barely get off. I got off for like, what took you so long? Jeez, I mean, you still got time, but. They down there practicing for the show. Ain't nobody in there. Nobody watching. It's just practice. That's cool. I gotta go see that show, whatever it is. But I was coming over here to show y'all this, the scenery. So nice. Spotted my man's again over there jamming. Day number 4 on the cruise. It's going great, man. I'm over here watching people at the wave runner. Y'all see, we're on a mission on the way to Mexico right now. Then we're heading to the Bahamas. Perfect day at Cococay, I believe that's what it's called. Finally got my pina colada that I've been looking for. And it's amazing, man. Just look at the view. Look at the view. All the way at the back of the ship right now. Love it. Check it out, look, we on the move, this thing is flying, baby. Smoke blowing. They back there, about to surf it up. And there he goes again, guys. You gonna catch him all around the ship. He's dancing. Check him out. I done caught him in every club, every night, jamming. Just rode the thing again, wave runner, flow rider, whatever you want to call it. A little goofy today. All day, every club.